What if some of the coolest car gadgets on Amazon could actually make your drive better? From clever tech to surprisingly useful inventions, today we're checking out some of the most interesting car accessories you can get right now. If you love discovering cool car finds, keep watching. And if something catches your eye, you'll find all the links down in the description. Let's get into it. Tired of mosquitoes getting in when you camp in your car? This fine mesh net fits perfectly over your windows. Bugs stay out, fresh air still flows through, easy to install. Folds up tiny when not in use, store in your glove box. Sleep comfortably in your car bug-free. Is your steering wheel worn out or too hot in summer? This microfiber cover adds grip and protects your wheel. Breathable material stays cool even in direct sun. Universal fit, easy to install in seconds without tools. Instant upgrade for your steering wheel. Looking for a simple upgrade to make your drive better? This clever gadget solves an annoying problem you didn't know you had. Quality build works exactly as advertised. Affordable upgrade that makes a big difference daily. Another great Amazon car find you didn't know you needed. Looking for a simple upgrade to make your drive better? This clever gadget solves an annoying problem you didn't know you had. Quality build works exactly as advertised. Affordable upgrade that makes a big difference daily. Another great Amazon car find you didn't know you needed. Is your trunk a mess of loose stuff rolling around? This organizer keeps groceries, tools, and gear neatly in place. Multiple compartments and non-slip bottom, stays put when you turn. Folds flat when you don't need it, saves space. No more messy trunk after this. And that's it for today's gadgets. Which one was your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. If you enjoyed this video and want to discover more cool car accessories, make sure to like and subscribe. And if you want to check out any of the gadgets featured today, all the links are waiting for you in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.